Ever feel like you're just drowning in a sea of spreadsheets? Struggling to keep up with customers and feeling like you're always playing catch up with the competition? Yeah, you are definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to not just tread water, but to absolutely soar? Okay, let's dive into this. Because AI, it isn't science fiction anymore, it's your new business co-pilot. So here's our game plan. We're going to map out exactly how this all works. We'll kick things off with the big idea behind the AI Copilot. Then, we'll see how it completely changes the game for your daily operations and your marketing. After that, we'll check out how it uses data to find new paths for growth. And finally, we'll pull it all together to see what this looks like in the real world. All right, first things first, we have got to change how we think about AI. Forget the whole Hollywood movie thing, the robot overlords coming for our jobs. That's not what this is. Think of AI as your new partner, a strategic sidekick designed to work with you. This is not about replacement, it's all about partnership. And this quote right here, it just nails it. The whole goal is to amplify what you and your team are already great at. AI is there to handle the boring, repetitive, time-sucking tasks so that your creativity, your strategy, and your big ideas can really shine. It's about making you better, not obsolete. So how does this copilot actually free you up to be more creative? Well, it starts by taking over all that tedious work that just bogs everyone down. Let's go down to the engine room of your business, your daily operations, and see how it works. This is where AI just steps in and handles the grunt work, freeing up your team for the stuff that really moves the needle. And the impact here is, well, it's dramatic. We're talking about tasks that used to take hours, maybe even days. Things like building a professional website, creating all your marketing visuals, or managing your online profiles. All of that can now be done in just a matter of minutes. This isn't just a small step up, it's a massive leap in how efficiently you can work. And you know the best part? These aren't some crazy, futuristic, expensive technologies. These are tools you can literally start using today. With Google Sites, boom, you've got a professional SEO-friendly website. No coding required. With Canva AI, you can just automate all of your social media graphics. And with Google Business AI, you can intelligently manage your local listings so that you're the first person local customers find. Each one delivers real, tangible value right now. Okay, now let's talk about getting your message out into the world. For a lot of businesses, big-time marketing can feel completely out of reach. It's expensive, it's complicated, but your AI Copilot just flips the script entirely. It basically hands your brand a powerful, affordable, and global megaphone. Just look at the difference here. I mean, this slide really lays out the revolution that's happening. On one hand, you have traditional marketing, crazy expensive, super slow, and your reach is pretty limited. But now with AI-driven tools, production is incredibly fast and way more cost-efficient. And as you're about to see, your reach can suddenly become global. Let me give you an incredible example. AI avatars. Imagine creating a slick, studio-quality marketing video without ever booking a studio, hiring an actor, or even touching a camera. That's a reality now. And what's even crazier, you can create that exact same video in a dozen different languages, opening up markets all over the world you could never reach before. This lets you pump out high-quality video content super fast, all while keeping your brand looking polished and professional. It's a game changer. So beyond operations and marketing, your AI Copilot is also a brilliant analyst. It can take a messy sea of data and turn it into a clear compass that points your business in the right direction. And at the very same time, it helps you use that data to build stronger relationships with your customers. It's kind of like a digital handshake. A key tool for this is something called Predictive Analytics. Now, that might sound complicated, but it's pretty simple. Think about your gym membership. Have you noticed you're going less and less? Well, that's a sign you might be about to cancel or churn. AI can spot those subtle little signs in your customer data, figuring out who seems like they're about to leave. This lets you see the future a little bit so you can step in and win them back before they're gone for good. And here's where that insight turns into action. As soon as your AI identifies a customer who's at risk, an AI-powered CRM, that's a customer relationship management system, can automatically shoot them a personalized message on, say, WhatsApp. By reaching out at just the right time with the perfect offer, you dramatically increase the chances they'll stick around and buy from you again. It's a direct line from data insight to actual revenue. All right, so we've talked about the tools, the strategies, the whole philosophy. But you're probably asking, does this stuff actually work in the real world? And the answer is a resounding yes. let's take a look at how experts are putting all these pieces together, with business owners sitting right there in the pilot seat. What you're looking at right here, this is where the magic is happening. These aren't just cool ideas on a slide. This is the core curriculum for modern business training programs. Real businesses are actively learning how to use these AI tools to go from being just digital to being truly intelligent. This is where it all clicks. Take a real-world strategist like SEO Daddy Chong. His toolkit is basically everything we've just talked about. He's mastering search with SEO, using AI avatars for videos in different languages, using AI-driven CRMs to automate marketing on WhatsApp, and he's teaching other businesses how to build their own sites and visuals with AI. And the philosophy holding it all together, you guessed it, AI as a co-pilot. It's not just a random box of tools. It's a complete, powerful strategy for growth. So, look, all the pieces are on the board. The technology is here and it's accessible. The strategies are proven to work. The potential for growth is just immense. Your AI co-pilot is already in the cockpit. Systems are green, it's waiting for your instructions. The only question left is, are you ready to take command?